We have big developments out of Juba today in day 6 of Riek Machar's trial. So in a closed-door session, cameras were banned, but audio was still recorded for the court's official record. And that's how we know what went down. The lead investigator, Major General Basilio Thomas Wani, read out statements from Machar and 3 of his co-accused. They laid out that Machar was officially put under house arrest back on March 26 under case number 978 in Juba, and said the investigation itself was carried out at Machar's home on April 14th. But Machar's message in court was pure defiance. So he spoke, and in his statement, he flat out rejected the investigative committee's authority, saying the National Security Service has no jurisdiction here. He argued that only the peace monitoring body could handle violations of the peace agreement. And again, he played the immunity card, reminding the judges that as first vice president, he cannot legally be prosecuted this way. He even went further, saying he actually intervened to stop new clashes in Nasser earlier this year, evacuating nearly 200 soldiers, trying to prevent more bloodshed. The co-accused echoed similar themes. One said he'd been detained without charges and shuttled around national security facilities. Another said he was simply locked up with no explanation. And another said he has no idea why he's even being held. Then came the real flashpoint of the day. Prosecutors introduced 4 documents, an authorization letter to initiate the trial, a ministerial order creating the investigation committee, and a presidential sanction ordering Machar's arrest, and a legislative resolution waiving immunity for a lawmaker. Machar's lawyers fought all of them, saying they were unconstitutional, issued by the wrong authorities, and that the president can't just order the arrest of a vice president without impeachment. The judges, however, didn't budge. They admitted all 4 documents into the record, saying the defense could challenge them later when cross-examination begins. But here's the thing. Even after all of this, we still don't know the actual evidence. Okay? No forensics, no witnesses, no smoking gun. What we have seen so far is paperwork, not proof. The session wrapped up with an adjournment until Monday, October 6th, and that's where we're at. So Machar is insisting he has immunity, the court's pushing ahead, and the prosecution is stacking up documents, and the public is still waiting for a single piece of hard evidence to back these enormous charges of treason, terrorism, and crimes against humanity. One last thing before you go, I am really trying to get to 10,000 followers by the end of October, so if you are enjoying my reporting, please be sure to hit the follow button for more news in 3 minutes or less. And if you want to support my work further with additional perks, you can join my Patreon for as little as $1 a month. Check out the link in my bio for more.